Hello everybody, this is Arilis, your candle lady, and I just wanted to come on real quick to show you guys for my wonderful host who took advantage of the fragrance flame for outdoors. I just wanted to go on here live and just explain to you how to put it together because I know some of you have had questions. So first of all, I just want to show you how it comes in the package, and it basically comes like this, okay? Here's your flameless frame that you're going to put together. Here are 3 wicks that you're going to get for replacements. Each wick will last you about 100 hours. And this is your huge snuffer. And I'm gonna go over how to use everything. But the first thing I wanna show you is how to put it together, okay? So you're gonna have your hurricane, which is this, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. I just don't wanna take this one all apart. You have your hurricane. You will have your top that goes on top of the hurricane when not in use, okay? You will have your bottom rim. You'll have your grate, which it goes like this. You will also have your base along with another pan, a tin pan, okay? So the way you put it together now, I don't want to show you mine because I've already been using mine and the wax is completely melted on the bottom. But what I want to show you, the most important piece is you take your bottom, you take your tin and you put it inside. Now you're going to grab this piece, okay? The bottom, the lifted part goes towards the bottom, okay? Not like this, you don't leave this on the top. This goes towards the bottom. Your wick is actually gonna go right in here, okay? So now that we understand that part, because that's a major part of it, I'm gonna go over some of the other pieces. So I'll bring this together. Also, you do get 3 replacement wicks. Do not take that out. That stays in there. So all you do is remove the metal. Do not touch that inside. That is actually your wick, okay? I've had some people try to mess with that, thinking it's paper or something like that. Don't take it apart. That's the wick, okay? So once it's all set up, this is your finished product, okay? Let me just move this out of the way. You have your base that you use only when not in use, okay? If you're using your flame, fragrance flame, you don't cover it, okay? So you leave it opened. Here it's mine all set up, right? So you see how all the pieces go. Now, here are the wax melts, which I'm gonna go over. And as you can see, my wick has been used, so it's all dark. And this is what I wanted to say because I can't get mine off because there's still wax in there. Okay, so it doesn't come off so easily. But I want to show you, you see the indentation? The lifted part goes towards the bottom. The indented one goes on the top because that's where your wick is going to actually sit. Okay, this is your base. You're going to put it in here. Okay, just like that. You're going to put your base, I guess, your little lift for the hurricane. And if you notice, it has a little wedge, so don't put it this way because then it can't hold the hurricane. It has to go this way with the little lip on it. You have your lip, you have your hurricane, you have your cap. There it is, it's all ready. This is your mega snuffer. So when you want to turn it off, once the wax completely melts, it will shut off automatically. But let's just say you're done with it for the day and you don't want to wait till it completely consumes. You're gonna use your wick to just go in and shut it off, okay? So you just shut it off with your wick. And then any remaining wax will stay there and you could use it for next time, okay? Now, when you get this, your pamphlet actually has directions on it. So you will read, of course, let's see, the English version, and it'll tell you how to use it. And then all the way in the back, you might have to search for it, is a diagram of how to put it together. The only question that most people had was this piece, okay? And again, this is the top. This lifted area is the bottom. So it goes in like this so that your wick can sit in here, okay? So that was one of the main questions about it, okay? And the other thing was that you don't mess around with the wick, all right? You leave that thing that looks like paper inside. All you do is remove it and put it right in here, okay? Now, your wax melt, it has a flat part, and it has sort of like a little nose type thing. This is what goes towards the wick. So when you put it in here, let me remove the hurricane. When you put it in here, you kind of just place them like this, right in that little groove like that. And they tell you to use anywhere from 1 to 4. I usually use 2, okay? And that's how they would sit. If you use 3, you put 1 here. If you use 4, you put 2 here. And then you'll have the whole thing, okay? And then you just light it, which I'm gonna show you at the end, but I wanna go over some things with you. Okay, so this is mine. It's all ready to go. I don't have it lit right now, so I'm just gonna put my cap on it and just leave it on the side. So we have wax melts for it now, okay? These are called fuel, so they're actually called the wax fuel. This is what's used for the fragrance flame, the outdoor one. It doesn't go in your warmers. It's only used for our flame. If some of you did get the stand, basically you just put this on the stand. You see the bottom? It just goes right on your stand, okay? Some of you who got this in May, beginning of May, you might be getting your stand in July if it's on back order. And some of you who went to the end of May, this sold out so quickly that the stand was no longer available. But you'll still have the tabletop, which is beautiful. I find that I'm using it without a problem without the stand, okay? So now we do have the fuel available. And it comes in 4 fragrances. Right now, the only 2 fragrances available are Garden Mint, okay, and the Geranium, which is your purple, okay? There's also Lemongrass, and the other, Peach Honey, is not available as of yet. Where to find these? So now you can order them. So let me just show you where you would find this. You would go onto my website, www.partylight.biz/Arilyspalacios. Then you want to click on Flameless Fragrance tab. You know how you have the tab, it says candles, it says Flameless Fragrance, it says decor. You're going to click on Flameless Fragrance, go all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see where it says Fuel Wax. And that's where you'll find these to order. They're $10 for a 4-pack. Each of these gives you 75 minutes of burn time in your flameless flame. So you'll get 75 minutes, okay? And they come in a 4-pack for $10. Also, if you're looking for replacement wicks, you can find those under Home Decor. You go onto Home Decor, and now you either hit View All or you go to the second page. On the second page, you're gonna see Outdoor Wick, and that's what these are. So each of these gives you about 100 hours. You'll know when it's done because it won't melt your wax anymore, so it's basically done. You need to replace it. But each of them will give you 100 hours, okay? This is a 3-pack replacement that you could get. Remember, your fragrance flame, oh my God, it's a tongue twister, already comes with 3, okay? But if you go through all of them and you need some replacement, you will find these under the Home Decor tab. Go all the way to the bottom where it says replacement parts, and then go to either View All or the second page, and you'll find the wicks. And they're called the Outdoor Wick, okay? And then you can buy a 3-pack for $10. So that's what's available right now. Pretty soon we'll get the other 2 scents for the wax. You know, everything's just delayed because of COVID and all that stuff. So thank you so much for your patience. I appreciate that. And then I just want to show you how to enjoy it. So it's ready to go, right? I'm going to take my cap off. And then an easy way to do it is I remove my hurricane. And I'll just light up my wick. You want to make sure it lights up, and once you see it lit up, like mine is now lit up. I don't know if you could see it, but I see it starting to go, and it'll go higher once it's completely lit up. Okay, once it's all lit up, you put your hurricane on and you're ready to go. You'll have about 75 minutes, right? And remember, don't burn that wick without any fuel wax, because you'll completely burn it out in like 30 minutes and it's gonna be gone. So you need the wax for it to work properly, okay? And if you see, mine is going, okay? And it's just beautiful. And just read the instructions on your booklet, guys. Make sure you take time to read it. It'll give you some pointers. It also has a little diagram. Where is it? You have to look for it. It's like, but you will find the diagram on how to use it. And just the two things that people were a little confused about, which was the grate, okay, where you leave the indented part that's down on the top so that your wick fits in it, okay? The raised part goes towards the bottom. And then the other question was about those wicks that you don't want to remove the inside. Leave that alone. That's your actual wick to burn, okay? Just goes in there like this, okay? If you guys have any questions, you're still confused about something. Ooh, this is hot. I'm starting to smell that mint. It's beautiful. I love it. Anyway, you know, once you're done with it too, remember, you could use your snuffer, okay, if you don't want to burn it all the way through. But now it's gone. It's going on full blast. See that? It's just beautiful, especially at night. And I'm just going to shut mine off because I don't want to use it yet. I just use this for, and you know, the wax might get in the way, guys. You can just push it out of the way and then fix it later on. I'll fix mine later. Okay, so now mine is off. Once that cools off, I'll fix my wax. Okay, and it's off. And now that it's off, I can cover it. Okay, and just leave it for next time. Okay, so if you have any questions, just hit me up. Call me, text me, email me. You're probably better off texting and calling me. If I don't answer you, I will get back to you. And that's it. Thank you guys for hosting in May. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you to all you wonderful hosts in June. I can't wait for your parties. And if you already had a party, I'm so excited for you to get all your freebies. And if you want to have your own party, you know what you need to do. Listen, I've been having a lot of Zoom parties. They've been very, very successful. Everybody's enjoying them. Everybody's having a great time. So if you want to have your own social with your friends, let's get together on Zoom. We don't even have to be in person. And if you want, I do a hybrid party where you can have some family members or some friends that are nearby that you feel comfortable being in your home with. And then the rest of us, if we don't feel comfortable or you don't feel comfortable with us being in your home right now, we could be on Zoom. So it could be a 2-for-1. Okay, so let's get this party rolling. Let's book those dates and get you some free stuff. This, unfortunately, is gone for the year. It was very successful and people loved it, and now they're gone. And that's another thing I wanted to mention to you. If you see anything on my website, do not wait for your party. Do not wait for your friend's party. Order it now. Because of COVID, a lot of things that sell out, we will not be able to get back in this year. So I cannot stress enough how if you want something, order it. Do not wait. Because of the situation, we've been doing a really good job getting your orders, but things are selling out faster than we anticipated. You know, everybody's home and everybody's trying to make their home a cozy home, and so we're burning a lot of candles. We're doing a lot of fragrance in your home, even if it's flameless. We have the sticks and we have other stuff to make your home a cozy home. So you know, just understand the situation we are right now, and I appreciate your patience. Enjoy it. I love mine. I'm enjoying it for sure. So again, reach out to me if you need. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Happy Sunday. I hope you enjoy your Sunday. It's a beautiful day out today, and I will see you all soon on Zoom. Bye-bye.